Are autonomous vehicles safer than human drivers? The development of self-driving technology has sparked significant debate about road safety and the future of transportation. One of the biggest questions surrounding this technology is, are autonomous vehicles safer than human drivers? Proponents argue that self-driving cars reduce human error, which is responsible for the majority of accidents. On the other hand, skeptics raise concerns about system failures, unpredictable road conditions, and ethical dilemmas in crash scenarios. As technology continues to evolve, examining the safety of autonomous vehicles compared to human-driven cars is essential. The case for autonomous vehicle safety. Autonomous vehicles use advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and real-time data processing to navigate roads and avoid collisions. Unlike human drivers, they don't suffer from distractions, fatigue, or impaired judgment due to alcohol or drugs. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration states that 94% of car crashes are caused by human error, including speeding, reckless driving, and failure to obey traffic signals. Key safety features of self-driving cars. Advanced sensor technology. Autonomous vehicles rely on LiDAR, cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to detect objects, pedestrians, and other vehicles. These systems provide a 360-degree view of the surroundings, reducing blind spots and improving reaction time. Machine learning and AI decision-making. Self-driving cars use artificial intelligence to analyze vast amounts of data and predict potential hazards. Unlike human drivers, AVs can instantly react to changing road conditions without hesitation. Vehicle-to-vehicle communication. Autonomous vehicles can communicate with each other to share information about traffic conditions, road obstacles, and potential hazards, reducing the likelihood of collisions. The challenges of autonomous driving safety. Despite these advancements, the question remains, are autonomous vehicles safer than human drivers in all situations? There are several challenges and limitations to consider. Software and hardware failures. While AVs eliminate human error, they are not immune to system malfunctions. Sensor failures, software glitches, and cyber threats pose risks that could lead to accidents. Handling unpredictable situations. Human drivers rely on intuition and experience to react to unexpected events, such as a pedestrian jaywalking or a cyclist swerving into traffic. Legal and ethical dilemmas. If a crash is unavoidable, how should an autonomous vehicle prioritize safety? Ethical dilemmas, such as whether to protect the driver or pedestrians in a collision, complicate decision-making for self-driving systems. So, are autonomous vehicles safer than human drivers? The answer depends on multiple factors. While self-driving technology has the potential to drastically reduce accidents caused by human error, it is not yet flawless. As technology advances, combining autonomous systems with human oversight may provide the safest solution. Continued research, rigorous testing, and regulatory oversight will be essential to ensuring that AVs become a safer alternative to human-driven vehicles in the future.